Late last month, Huawei unveiled its third versions of HarmonyOS, and what's on my hands here is the first tablets to have the new HarmonyOS 3.0. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fastway episode 70. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. Today we're checking out the new HUAWEI MatePad Pro 11, the slimmest and lightest 11-inch tablets on the market, measured at just 5.9mm thickness and weighed at just 449 grams. This Pro tablets comes with a host of accessories for more productivity laptops-like setups, including the HUAWEI M-Pencil 2nd Gen and a newer HUAWEI Smart Magnetic Keyboard. There are a few reasons why I like the new HUAWEI Smart Magnetic Keyboard. The 1.5mm key travels is similar to laptops and comfortable to type. The keyboard now can be detached from the back cover. Aside from adding protection to the back of the tablet, it also works as a kickstand for different scenarios used, example watching a movie or sketching with the M-Pencil. There's also a hidden secret where the HUAWEI Smart Magnetic Keyboard features hidden floating antennas where this adds a signal enhancement system, allowing a better network signal coverage. Because it's a Bluetooth connection, I can use the keyboard at a more comfortable angles and distance. It comes with an M-Pencil magnetic slot holder where you can keep it securely when it's not in use. Since I'm talking about the M-Pencil, it supports 4096 pressure sensitivities with ultra low latency. It charges wirelessly by attaching magnetically onto the tablet's frame. You can get a 10 minutes of writing with a quick 30 seconds of charge, or 10 hours of writing when it's fully charged in an hour. Using the HUAWEI M-Pencil with HUAWEI Notes, we can take notes, draw diagrams, and it has the ability to change handwritings to text. For those who like drawing and sketching, it supports cross-app color capture, where you can use the eyedroppers and capture the color palettes anywhere from the screen with the HUAWEI M-Pencil. The Annotate Everywhere enables me to take a quick snippet with an additional remarks on the image. On the back is a dual rear camera setup, a 13MP primary camera and an 8MP ultra-wide. HUAWEI only offers one color option, which is the gold black, a sleek matte black finish with a gold color trim accent. Up front is an 11-inch OLED 120Hz refresh rate display with 2560 by 1600 WQXGA Plus resolutions and 600 nits peak brightness. The 4.2mm narrow bezels helps produce an impressive 92% screen-to-body ratios. There's a hole punch cutout that houses a 16MP camera. According to HUAWEI, the panel offers high accuracy colors with DCI-P3 color space and delta E less than 1. The excellent 11-inch OLED display perfectly complements with the HUAWEI sound. It comes with a total of 6 speakers, which said to be fine-tuned for an immersive audio experience. Under the hood, it runs on either Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 or Snapdragon 888 with LTE, coupled with 8GB of memories and come with 128GB of storage or 256GB of storage. The HUAWEI MatePad Pro 11 performs smoothly and snappy. With the new HarmonyOS 3.0, HUAWEI has improved with better algorithms management and polished its super device features, bringing more seamless connectivities among compatible HUAWEI devices. This includes having the HUAWEI MatePad Pro 11 as a secondary display for your HUAWEI MateBook laptops, answering phone calls or videos, drag and drop file transfers, and many more. Despite having such slim and low-profile design, the HUAWEI MatePad Pro 11 is packed with an enormous 8300 mAh battery. HUAWEI claims it can deliver up to 11.5 hours of continuous video playback. When ran out of battery, it supports the fast 66W HUAWEI Supercharge, 55% charge in just 30 minutes. If you're already in the HUAWEI ecosystem, the HUAWEI MatePad Pro 11 is a great new addition with all the pro bells and whistles. It's a great tool for content creators and also on-the-go productivity user. The HUAWEI MatePad Pro 11 will be available on 19th of August 2022, priced from RM 2,999 ringgit, and it will bundle together with the HUAWEI Smart Magnetic keyboards and the HUAWEI M-Pencil 2nd Gen. A complete written review will be available on my website very soon. The link will be in the description box below. That's all from me on the HUAWEI MatePad Pro 11. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.